two seats.
This car is crazy.
Crazy fast. I love it too, man. It gives you a smile on your face. Yeah.
Please, look at this.
Look at this. Look at this. Man, this thing has like 20,000 horsepower.
No, this car is crazy. This car is crazy.
It's a beast.
Actually, I love this car. Look at this.
You know he wants to.
Carbonio. Я тебе дам клюп-клюп. Look at this. Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
This car is so nice. I think I like this car better than Aventador. I don't know why.
It's super.
But it's my personal, yeah.
Yeah.
I love this car better.
It's
than
insane.
Thanks. Okay guys, we just came back to the shop. We just tested the car. Car is drivable, like unbelievable. This car make my day, and we just finished this car. That's FERRARI 2018, 1,000 miles, and we just did completely. Car is done, except the only one thing. I show you guys. I missed this. I mean, I think we lost the cab. Oh, you can see the headlight washer cap. Yes. So I think we have to find out. They put it in somewhere, and we didn't find out yet. But I already ordered a new one, so we're gonna paint it and put it back. So car is completely done. We just did alignment, and you never gonna tell this car has been on an accident. Never gonna tell. Everything.
Perfect.
Yeah, this car is perfect, drivable, unbelievable, cool, unbelievable. And super fast, and looks sick, you know.
Yeah, you said you like it better than the Lambo.
I like this car. Yeah, but I like this car better than the Lambo. Lambo is more show off. This one more classy, you know, classy. Actually, this car a little bit looks like show off with those wheels. Stand out a little bit.
Old wheels.
Yeah.
Cute touch to the car.
Yes. I mean, car is amazing, fully loaded, like every piece carbon. Even the seats and door panel and whatever inside, dashboard, I mean dash inserts, driver zone, I mean everything carbon fiber. I love this car. If you need to fix your car, let me know. Or if you sell your car, like damaged car or something wrong, you can message me on the Instagram.
Instagram's gonna be in the bio down there. You'll see.
Yes.
Guys, hold up. Need the lighting. Up, my fault. Okay, guys. It was actually my first time sitting in one of these. Not first time, but like in this car. And it's literally amazing. It's like a beast.
Come on, man, first time, dude.
It's
I never let you sit on this car.
What do you mean? No, but it's an amazing car. It's super quick. Puts you back to your seat. Puts your heart back into the seat.
Make you horny.
Yeah.
To be honest, make you horny.
Make me. It rises
That's
me
my
up.
girl. That's my girl.
I love this girl. Can I take it?
No. I already made it, man.
$3.99.
Yeah.
Who knows, man? This guy's coughing.
Yeah.
What are you smoking?
No, dude. You know I'm not smoking, and don't ever joke with me like that.
Don't ever joke.
No.
Only
jokes like that.
Only with Bichok.
Yeah. Only with Bichok. No, I love this car, man.
Amazing.
It's insane.
Insane.
I mean insane. Yes. What I said. This car better than 458. Like I don't know how many times better. Even better than Special.
It's fully
I mean,
loaded, like you said.
Just come over and try. Only girls.
It's fully loaded like he said.
Yeah.
All carbon. Amazing.
And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.